Welcome to the Lied Fitness Center at College of St. Mary, the home of the Flame. Let's check out the gym. This is the home court where volleyball, basketball, and dance compete and perform. So here we have 4 tennis courts. This is where the tennis team practices and where we have home games as well. These are the offices of the coaches. This is where you sign and talk to the coach to eventually be a Flames athlete. The pool is home to the Flames swim team, which is where they practice and compete. Here's the conference room. This is where the coaches meet with their athletes for strategies or team bonding. Our athletes have access to the gym facility. This is where we do weights training and a gym. Welcome to the Lied Fitness Center Fieldhouse lobby. Here we have a track and a golf simulator. Here we have 3 courts. This is where the volleyball and basketball teams can host their tournaments as well as practice. The track team can also practice on the track, and the Omaha Supernovas utilize our facilities as well. Thanks for visiting the Lied Fitness Center!